The liver is the largest internal organ in our body. It lies in close proximity to other organs such as the gallbladder, which is under it, and the stomach, which is to the left of it. The liver is about 1.2 to 1.6 kilograms in healthy adults. It is located in the right side of the body under the lower ribs. The liver can be seen as though it's made up of two major lobes, but it's actually four lobes of unequal size. Now, the organs that are in close proximity to the liver is a gallbladder, which actually connects with the liver. The bile duct comes from the liver and the gallbladder, and the cystic duct coming from the liver. And these are important in the bile system, which we'll look into later on. The liver actually has a lot of blood supply in order to be oxygenated and in order to receive nutrients. So two important things, oxygen and nutrients. So if we look at the liver's blood supply, here we have the artery, the aorta coming from the heart, which brings oxygenated blood into tissues, body tissues. So here there's just capillaries of general circulations where the tissues will then use up the oxygen, and now this blood supply will be deoxygenated. It will be low in oxygen concentration. And this deoxygenated blood supply will go back to the heart through the inferior vena cava. Now, organs found on the bottom half of our body are the liver, stomach, spleen, and also intestines. The aorta coming from the heart gives oxygenated blood to all these organs, the liver, stomach, and the intestines. The artery going into the liver is known as a hepatic artery, and this gives the liver oxygenated blood. It gives the liver oxygen to function. The artery giving oxygen to intestines is known as the mesenteric artery, and we won't really focus on this. Now, what's important to know is that once the spleen, stomach, and intestine has used the oxygen from the blood supply will be deoxygenated, and this deoxygenated blood supply will be veins. And actually, this vein will not go back to the heart, but will go towards the liver as a big vein known as the portal vein. And these veins carry nutrients from the stomach, spleen, and the intestines, and that is how the liver receives nutrients. So we see that we have the hepatic artery and we have the portal vein, one of them bringing in oxygen and the other bringing in nutrients. And then the liver, once it's used all these oxygen and nutrients, there will be another vein leaving the liver known as the hepatic vein, which connects to the inferior vena cava, which then goes back to the heart.